Cool. Welcome back, guys. Another day, another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. If you're new here, we are road coders. We stream every night from 9:30 to 10:30 and 2 hours on weekends. And you can watch us on Twitch and YouTube. Um, so we had a lot of interesting surprises yesterday when we thought our code was working, our API was working with DynamoDB, but turns out it was only working for the first element. But turns out our really smart coder Zen has figured it all out, and today we promise that it is working. And today we'll go over what happened and how you can avoid it if you are developing an API as well. So, what do we have in store today, Zen?
In store at the moment are two beans that I'm trying to get rid of that are really I don't really want them to be here because it's just obstructing my
Yeah, take your
camera a
time.
little bit. I think yeah that should work for now.
Idea.
Anyway, yeah, thanks a lot for the introduction, Kay. Always precise, spot on, and concise. So before I begin to tell the viewers I will go for today, just want to do a quick shout out to StreamYard, who's the sponsor of this video. And basically, it's an online streaming software in which you can add your destination to uh, the famous social media, which is YouTube. Well, I wouldn't really call YouTube a social media, but video playing format. So it would be YouTube, Periscope, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, as you can already see here. And you can also record the videos and make it available for your viewers afterwards if for some reason they can't catch you on live. So
Nice.
now that's the part done. All right. So today I'm gonna be taking us through what how I managed to fix the get particular note. Um, and then we're gonna be covering two functionality, which is deleting a note and updating a note as well.
Right. Okay.
Right, fantastic. So I'll just quickly go through the code that what I did. So basically, I changed a bit of logic to become a lot simpler.
Uh-huh.
So instead of using query, I just simply created an object and
Okay.
then um, signed them the proper properties of that particular node, and then um the part that we were missing was I wasn't looping through the array itself, as in the border underscore nodes.
Okay.
So
Right.
yeah, so I added this part here, and I know last night you pointed out, okay, that you want to use the hard coded value, and I think we should, although I said there's a bad practice, but I don't know any other way we can achieve this logic, as in a variable kind of thing. Yeah, I could do let counter equals 0
Yeah,
and then put counter here, but there will be one additional line of code.
that's true. Um,
So, mhm,
yeah, I was just kind of wondering. We can use there's one function called find. We can do that as well if you don't want to hard code.
fine. Do you know how to use that function?
Just googling it. So in find, if you don't give any um what do you call that, any index, then it'll just give you the first index. So
Ah,
if
right.
you really want to avoid putting zero there, then we can use something like that. I'm just googling it. 1 second.
Yeah. So you mean this one, isn't it?
One
As in do
second.
this find and then
Yeah, yeah.
check age.
Let me make sure if it's the find function, or maybe it is. Can you check if it's the find function? I'll just
Guess the value of the first element in the array that has a value over 18. Okay, yeah, it should be the first element. It
right.
says it here.
Yeah.
And I
Let's
guess
start
first.
limiting that.
Alright, so I'll just put this one here. So yours, I'm just trying to think. This is an array. So would want to do probably board. No, I want to do find. Alright, okay. Excuse me if you heard it. That was my fault. Uh,
Or we
actually,
can do um,
uh-huh.
a really it's like a hard fix kind of a thing. Like we can do
Uh-huh.
items dot length minus one in place of where you wrote zero. If that makes sense. Just
Items dot
board items.
items dot board items dot length
Length.
minus one.
Yeah, do length as well. You didn't do length. Yeah,
But this will give us minus one then, and that will result in a array as in invalid index.
no.
Because
So the length function gives you the actual length. Not the. It's not a function. It's a JS constant.
yeah,
Um,
I know that.
it gives you one. In our case, it gives us one.
In our case, okay,
Parent
right,
index
right.
starts from zero, but length functions always give you the true number of elements.
One. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I see what you mean. There's a basically in the items we're gonna have one item anyway.
Yeah,
So we're just saying one minus one, which
yeah,
is zero then.
yeah. Kind of like just trying to avoid hard coding,
Yeah,
basically.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So I can do this on this as well. This is more code now. And
Is it?
it's making a bit difficult
Uh,
to read
just assign
from.
it to a variable, and
But there's more additional additional line of code then.
yeah, but
I'm
then
just
again, you're not calling the length constant every time.
true, true. So
Let's give it a
I'll
good
just
meaningful name.
um
Um,
uh item
item first index, I guess.
items items first index is equal to no that this is not gonna work. Ah, my bad. I should have done it over here.
Yeah.
Items first. Are you busy?
I'm kind of googling that thing only.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm googling on my phone so that I can see what's happening here as well.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, yeah, that should work.
Board, items, that one, and then we can use this one over here. Items first index.
Hmm.
I don't really want to spend too much time on this again.
Yeah,
So we will see if this works. If
yeah,
this does, which I'm pretty sure it would.
yeah.
Ah, forgot to add that as well. Okay, hang on a minute. I should go to my repo. app.ts. Okay, there you go.
Oh,
Huh?
1 second. Um, see this line of codes and I pasted it in the comments. Oh shit. Actually, I should do it in a private chat.
Let first equals array find boolean.
Hmm. But fine. Yeah, this should work, but let's just leave it then, I guess. Or do you, yeah, just change the where we wrote item length -1. Change that to okay. I'll do it. So you know how where we have item length -1,
Item length minus
length 1.
1, yeah.
Just change that to item find boolean.
Boolean.
Yeah.
That doesn't. So, what's the boolean then?
I think in boolean you need to put true.
Guys, board item. So, you're saying that except read and write? So, items find. If it finds the item, then we're gonna go in.
1 second. Yeah, try
Actually,
try. Um,
just gonna try and decode this.
I found it on a Stack Overflow thingy. Sending it to you on VS Code.
Yeah.
There you go.
Participants session chat. How do you get the first element from an array like this? Okay, yeah, that's our one. So like this. He's using our one, as in hard coding it.
Sorry, I can't see your screen.
He's hard coding it here, which we
Oh,
have already done, but
no, that's the
that's not what.
question.
Huh?
That's the question. If you go down, you'll see. Wait,
See, that's the answer here.
no, I
Zero.
think did I send you the wrong link? One sec.
Array shift.
Oh, yeah, I sent you the wrong link. Sorry, my bad.
Oh.
Oh, no, wait. If you go down, uh, go down then. A bit more. Yeah, wait. The comment with 56 upvotes.
Hmm.
Wait, go down one more.
Find
Yeah,
boolean. You can just use find, or if you want the first element, even if it's a full say. Okay, I see. So that's how we can just use this.
yeah,
You can use find and put true there.
yep. That was it.
Let's try. I'm gonna just remove that one. Actually, I'll keep this boolean as it is and see
I'm
what
just
it
running it on.
gives.
Yeah, just leave it as like boolean. Don't put true.
Mhm.
Um, it's a keyword.
Mhm.
Let's look
Oh,
about.
why don't I do this then?
Sorry.
Why don't I do this instead?
Let note.
Find boolean and then go into notes.
Yeah, that should work.
That one.
No, 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 no. Wait.
My bad.
We don't want to call a function like a lot of times. Wastes memory. Do you want me to do it?
S- Yeah, you check control.
Yeah, I do have control. Right. Which line number are we at?
322.
Yeah. So this is giving it a yep, element in the array. That's fine. Yeah, that looks fine.
Mhm. Okay, I will run this.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna run this locally, not on um AWS
It,
Online. Oh, what am I doing? Dynamo
what am I doing?
DB local latest. Okay, and then run that command that I had to run DynamoDB. Yeah, there we go. This is gonna run that, and then I need to run the list command to check if the table is still there. Yeah, there you go. Check if the tables are still there.
Damn.
Yeah, cool. So table is still there. I'm gonna change the table name
Yeah.
to devcop form, and then what I'm gonna do is put breakpoint. Actually, let's check if it runs successfully. If it doesn't, then I'll put a breakpoint.
Hmm.
Did I do anything there? No, I didn't.
Do you uncomment the ports?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
Ah, I knew. Uh,
Oh.
I was looking for that as in when the code did I type in. Alright,
Try this.
open Postman.
Hmm. Where are your regular viewers? E7 and Matt.
They must be busy. It's some midweek now, and
Yeah, I don't blame
yeah,
them.
but we have to keep forging on.
Yeah. Literally, our group has just been like since the past 3 days. It's just like stream link, stream link. That's
Oh,
all.
interesting stuff. Is it possible if you can has your phone go vibration mode in there?
Yeah, I just put it on that.
Okay, cool. Thanks, man.
Mhm.
That one.
Localhost.
HTTP. I'm gonna have to zoom in a bit.
Yeah, that looks fine.
Local host 3000 board. Have I
Right.
already got them? This lagging coming into action now. Have I already got all the boards?
Yeah.
No, I don't. Ah,
Really?
alright. Uh, I misspelled it.
All right.
Cool.
There we go.
So if I do this board one,
Yeah.
the note, then last note. Oh, no, no, no. This is the one. Last note. Let's see what this gives us. It should give us that if it works perfectly fine. Alright, cool. Yeah,
Cool.
that works.
Nice.
Brilliant. So we can actually move on.
Yeah.
Google Coffee.
Thank you. Good on us. Like we that works finally after 3 days. So that's pretty good.
Alright. I'm gonna do this. Okay, cool. So now that that's working, we're gonna move on to
Update.
uh, delete or update. You pick which one
Let's do
first.
delete. Delete first.
Okay, cool. Let's go to delete. I've already got the code pretty much,
Mm-hmm.
but let's see if the code even works in the first place. Okay, here we go. This is the code here. Okay, cool. So I need this one to be uncommented, and then I need this one to be uncommented. No, 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 not really. Border cop. Ah, yeah, yeah. That has to be that has to be commented, and then I need to uncomment all this. And if it works, I'll go for the code afterwards.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Update. Is this update or delete? Delete. Okay, cool. Up delete. Okay, that one's there. That one's try catch is there. Why is that giving error? Boards. Um. Right. That's not gonna work
Really? Why?
because here I'm getting all the boards, but I'm not looping through the boards at the moment, so I'll probably have to.
Uh, I think that's the same code which we wrote for getting the note.
Yeah, yeah. So what I can do actually create a node, getting a node, get a specific note. Ah, okay. So we can probably get rid of the scan because it will consume a lot of resources.
Yeah.
Instead of that, we can do query because now that we know that this is working, it can
Hmm.
be a lot easier.
That's true.
This one has to come there. There. Oh, okay. Ah, why did I cut it? Right, update, delete. Okay, cool. So this goes here. We don't have to scan everything now.
No.
And then we can specifically say this, and then this can be done in this way.
Yeah.
If, okay, so this is where it all comes down to. We don't need this.
So what you do till now? You got the board, and okay, we're inside, and we're in the board notes thing.
Mm.
Right.
So if the current note ID it matches the ID that we passed in, then all we are doing is removing that note.
Yeah, that's true.
Supplies. The supplies, isn't it?
Yeah, it's place.
Start, which would be this one, and
And
then
one was it?
one. Yep, and then all we returning back. I don't really care what we return back as long as we can return back
So do you wanna
something.
check if it's deleted or not for now?
Yes, that's what I'm gonna do now. Try. Uh,
Let's just return items first index, not the board, and see what we get.
good idea. Alright. I don't know, for some reason I've got a vague idea that it won't work. And
I
I
mean,
might be
this is the code which is used to delete um I guess item from a table or
item from the array.
okay, right, delete node.
Actually, you know what?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try this, and if that doesn't work, then I might try this one as well.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Don't worry about that one.
Right.
Okay, cool. Let's say if this does the trick, although I highly doubt it.
Hmm. Me too.
Okay, we will get this board, get all of these.
Yep.
Okay, and now let's delete C4DC,
That's the second one or the third one?
second one.
Okay.
C4 apparently is done, eh?
Yeah, that is pretty apparent. I mean, I kind of want to try the DynamoDB way as well.
Exactly my point. So I'm gonna actually post, as in deploy this code to Sam and try there as well.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
See
true. I
if
mean,
that works.
it's kind of deleting it from the array, but not
Mhm.
sure if it's doing it on the table. So,
Uh, we we can we can check that.
yeah.
Okay, then check all the ports. Why did I get rid of that
Ah, snap.
table?
It's on
Not
your
to
GitHub.
worry, not to
It's on your
worry.
GitHub.
Yeah, let's go there and get it. Uh, repositories, Scrum SAM API.
Oh, also, Zen, happy Eid. It's Eid, right? Was it
Oh,
today or
it was yes, yesterday. Yeah, but
nine?
it lasts for
4 days.
3 or 4 days. Yeah.
Did you guys make that milk sweet like dessert kind of a thing? I know.
Um, I want
Kheer.
to, but I'm
Was
really
it kheer?
bad.
All right.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Nice.
I think it's called a cave. Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that.
Nice.
Yeah, I wanted to, but didn't want to put in the effort because
Fair enough.
it does take long, to be
Yeah.
honest.
There we go. But you don't have config here, and you have it in your code. Oh, that's for that. Never mind.
Yeah, that's for just local testing.
Yeah.
I'll actually type in this on comment for local testing. Cool. And I'll type in here as well on comment for local testing. Cool. And the pause there. Yeah, okay, I need to comment this one as well. Cool. Let's try this and see what happens. Have I already built it or yesterday? Yes, I have. I need to
Yep.
delete that. Right.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm. You look really bored.
Hmm. Damn, it's
Hey, bored?
already like. Sorry.
How about I'm thinking because I don't really want to bore you by just asking you to
No.
watch. How about if we go say from now on half and half? As in I code for
Yeah.
half an hour and then you
Yeah,
code
we should
for
do
half
it.
an hour as well. Mhm.
Yeah, for
Cool.
sure.
Brilliant.
It'll be fun. I think there was a AWS programming tools meetup as well today, was it?
Yeah, I got the text from Paul, but I
Mm.
couldn't attend that because it actually clashed with some other thing that I already had.
Right. That's true.
Hmm.
When I
Did you
wasn't
go
on
to it?
AWS, no, I think I just saw it. It was
Hmm.
Canberra AWS user group. It was in
Okay.
the yeah. It was see what's going on AWS programming tools. Hmm. Okay, there's no upcoming events. Never mind.
Okay.
Hmm. Right. I'm thinking to get on my solutions architect cert.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
they shouldn't take you too long. As in, you already have done the hardest one, which is the
Hmm.
AWS Dev.
Yeah. I think like the initial part of the semester is not that stressful. So I just like get it out of the
Mm.
way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'd be a good goal to kick, as in
Hmm.
before the year ends.
Hmm. And maybe like I could stream on my I would create like a YouTube channel and stream on that while I'm studying or something like that. So
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've done the essay, sir. I'm thinking that
yeah.
I might go into the dev one.
Do you have any recommendation? Did you write a blog or something like that on that?
On the solutions architects one?
Yeah.
I don't think I did, no.
Do you have any general comments on that?
I will, yeah, basically just build.
Okay.
As in, build
Right.
with the services that they tell you that are included and that you're going to be tested in the cert.
Hmm.
Because there are some questions, as in more than half of it, that you will only know the answer to, um,
Hmm.
based on your experience with
Right. Okay.
working with it. And
Yeah.
from my experience, the only thing I would tell you is that it's really important you understand the concept of
Okay.
what they're asking in the question, because they try to throw you off with few details that are not needed, but they are there.
Hmm. Okay. I get what you mean.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So that would be
Yeah.
my only suggestion for now. I'm gonna
I'll let you know if I need any help.
yeah, do that. I mean, I'll be more than happy to help you in any way I can.
Yeah. Let me know as well if I could be of any help.
Cool. Will do. Okay, that one's there. I'll be really surprised if it works on it AWS as
Me?
well.
Yeah. Me too. Actually.
To
I
be
mean.
honest, I think it might work because we've already tested in DynamoDB locally and it works
Yeah.
there.
Well, let's see.
Hmm.
I'd be disappointed if it works and if it doesn't work as well. Like in both cases, I'm gonna be disappointed
How come?
because if it works, it doesn't like I'd wanna like kind of do the DynamoDB code, and if it doesn't work, it'll be like, wow, we can't even do that. So
Oh, okay, right. I get what you mean now.
also, if it doesn't work, like it will be kind of inconsistent that it's working on local and not working on the.
Hmm. Yeah, true that. Actually, have I got a hair? I already have a hair.
Yeah, just
So
copy that.
why not use this? Yeah.
But we have to all
Board.
call the delete as well. So
Yeah. So I'll do get everything over the board.
coolsies.
Okay. There we go. And let me take the second one.
Right.
Ah, no, it's the board ID first. It really confuses me, to be
Yeah,
honest.
even the window is small, so like I'm
Yeah.
never sure.
Actually, let's take the third one this time.
Okay.
All right, have a guess. Will it work?
I don't know. Really don't know.
A63, A63, boom. Let's see.
Wow.
Apparently it works.
No, I'm not
We
happy.
can't. Why are you
I mean,
not happy? It works
I
though. Come
told you
on.
if it works, I'll be disappointed as well. And
You know why?
but
It's working based on my understanding. We are dealing with the array only.
that's true. But like, it's not the
As in,
dynamo way of removing objects from the table. So
it might not be from the table, but you've got to remember that we are dealing with the array now.
yeah,
As
that's
in, we are
true.
deleting it from the array
Yeah,
itself.
yeah, no, that's true. But I feel like we might have to revisit this code a bit just to make it look a bit like production code.
Yeah, of
But we can
course.
do that
Of course.
afterwards.
All right, so deleting is done.
Hmm.
What did I say? Right now, we need to update the note. So,
I was feeling this was a bit tricky. Yeah,
you
I'll do
want to
that.
do this one? Cool. I'll give you have the control now, and yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So let's see. Which line number is it?
it it is. It starts from
Yeah.
245.
Okay. Right. Okay, router.patch, that's fine. We get the board ID and the note ID. Radio. Text for note we got from the body. That's right, let board and let note. Okay. Right. So this code isn't really worth anything. Right. I'll uncomment this all first and then see what it is. Okay.
We probably want to do query then a scan.
Okay. Have we done this somewhere else? Okay.
Yes, in the previous one, which was deleting a null, we should be probably at the top.
Yeah.
Ah, here we go. That's fine.
Yeah. So for board and board items, we wanna name it board items dot find boolean.
Um, we don't.
Oh no, never mind. That's board. That's board.
We need the board, so we don't want to loop through the items.
We already have the board, so
Yeah, I think you can apply the same logic of um deleting the board. No, not deleting the board. Finding the note, and then just updating the topic property of the note
oh,
and the
you
time.
wanna query the node as well?
Query. We don't really query the
Oh,
note.
we can't. We can't do that.
We don't have to query the node. We just have to, as in, check if that node is that one, then just update the topic property of the
Yeah,
object.
yeah, yeah. Correct. Um, okay.
You probably want to change the boards to board because it's a single board.
Okay. That's true. Thanks for that. Right.
Alright, alright,
So
alright.
you mean to say that the topic property will update, right? Which is text for note.
Yes.
So how do we update that? Like here?
No, 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 no. So I don't think we need this update notes code at all.
Oh, should I comment it or should I delete it?
Comment it first, please. Um, the square, one more, yeah.
Sorry.
Actually, add the curly braces, but comment it out. I don't want to confuse myself. Yeah. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now basically what we're going to do, if the note ID is there, then we um uh probably create
Create a new node.
do board notes, and then notes, and then dot topic
Oh,
equals
got
that.
it. Got it. The reason VS Code give me suggestions. That's weird. Is it topic only?
And we probably wanna I think shall we update the day created as well, as in date and time, or not? No, no,
Yeah.
don't.
Oh,
Huh?
I mean, no, the date created is the first stamp of when it was initially created.
Yeah, yeah. So we don't have to do that. We can just do this. But going forward, I think they would be a good idea to add an additional property when we
Data.
update, as in, yeah,
Hmm.
updated at this date and time.
Hmm.
Okay, cool. So this is done. If you can go down.
I'm down. Only.
Oh,
Oh
I
yeah,
think
screen's
I'll have.
lagging.
Right. So this is if is here. Try update. Yeah, we
Hmm.
don't need that. We don't need update either. As in the doc client, because we're not using
Oh,
doc client here. So all we need to do is send the response back.
it's items or item again. I forgot.
Items.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Cool. Let's try this. Wait, there's one extra curly brace. Hmm. This is fine. This is fine. Can I put it outside the for loop?
Yeah, go for it.
I don't know what this is for then. Yeah, that's an extra. Right. Uh, it's fine. Yeah, that looks fine. Just one second. For loop is ending there. Yeah, cool. Let's. Are we gonna do it locally or are we gonna deploy it?
Let's do locally. Is a lot quicker.
Okay. I can. I'll do it.
Okay.
Right. What I'll do is I'll take the name of the table and I'll comment it below it.
Yeah, that'll be helpful. Let's try and finish this and see if it works or not in 4 minutes.
Yeah. So I did this. That's all I need to do, right? AWS config
No.
and
Yeah,
the choice of table
port
name.
and this line as well.
Oh yeah, that is all. Cool.
Okay, brilliant. I'll just deploy it as in locally because I'm not
Hmm.
gonna deploy it on AWS at the moment until I know if it's working. So this was updating or no, isn't it?
Yep.
Ah, hang on. Did we do that? Did we set the
Do what?
property text phone note here? Yeah, it's here. Cool. Perfect. All right. So
What's that?
let's see that which note. Don't want all the notes, just want this one and check.
Can you make this screen a bit bigger, like this? Not this, not the screen, but like the lower portion of the body.
Then you won't be able to see it properly if I
Okay.
do.
Yeah, it's fine.
I
Yeah.
can hang on a minute.
There we go. Yes,
How about now?
that's perfect.
Okay, board ID is there. I already got that one. So let's say this one is
What the forward slash?
and yeah, and we want to update this one body raw text JSON single note. It's
That's fine. That's all.
updated. Okay,
Mhm.
cool. Let's
Patch,
check if
patch. You're getting
ah
it.
right. Yeah, my fault.
That's fine.
Patch.
We got an error in VS Code, so you might want to restart it.
What does it say?
No, it's the time when you did get. That's why there's an error.
Okay, right. I see. That would make sense. Okay, the moment of truth.
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
Oh, error again. Never mind. I think it was because of the patch.
Okay, cool. We have to use the your favorite method now, which is DynamoDB way.
Yay.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
Do you
Now
want to do it tomorrow?
that's yeah. I'm gonna do it
Right.
tomorrow. Ah,
No, I'll do it. This is my function.
yeah, yeah. That's your function.
Yeah.
You can have it tomorrow. Right, guys.
Cool.
Thanks a lot for joining in. This is it. We have made some good progress. We have managed to delete a note. Um, yeah, it was a bit of an unusual way, which I wasn't thinking it would work, but it did.
Mhm.
And Kay was a bit disappointed because he wanted to use his
DynamoDB.
DynamoDB logic. So the best part is about to come tomorrow when Kay gets to fulfill his desire.
Yeah. Sure.
So make sure you tune in tomorrow as well, same
Mm.
time. And thanks for joining Kay and to all the viewers.
Yeah, for sure. Cool. Thanks guys for joining in. And thanks Zen for having me again. I'll see you guys tomorrow and have a lovely night.
Yeah,
Cool. See ya. Bye.
perfect, guys.